Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download apps on your HP laptop running Windows 11. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, power on your HP laptop and wait for Windows 11 to fully load. It's important to let your system boot up completely before you start downloading any applications, as this ensures everything runs smoothly and prevents any interruptions during the installation process. Once your PC is ready and you're on the desktop, you'll want to access the Microsoft Store. This is the official app marketplace for Windows 11, where you can safely download and install thousands of applications. To get there, click on the Windows Start menu icon located in your taskbar at the bottom of your screen. When the menu opens, type Microsoft Store in the search field and hit Enter on your keyboard. The Microsoft Store window will now open, displaying all the available apps you can install on your Windows computer. This is where you'll find everything from productivity tools to social media apps and games. For this tutorial, we'll demonstrate the process by installing Instagram, but the same steps apply to any app you want to download. In the search bar at the top of the Microsoft Store, type Instagram and browse through the results. Click on the Instagram app to select it. This will redirect you to the app's overview page, where you can see detailed information about the application. Here you'll find a comprehensive description of what the app does, user ratings, and reviews from people who have already installed it. This is helpful for making sure you're downloading the right app and that it meets your needs. Now scroll down on this page until you find the System Requirements section. This area shows you what your computer needs to run the app properly, including things like minimum operating system version, processor type, and available storage space. You'll also see additional information about the app's features and compatibility. Take a moment to review this to ensure your HP laptop meets all the requirements. Once you've confirmed everything looks good, click on the Get button. This will immediately start the download process, and the app will install automatically on your PC. You'll see a progress bar showing the download and installation status. Depending on the app's size and your internet connection speed, this might take anywhere from a few seconds to a couple of minutes. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded an app on your HP laptop using Windows 11. The same process works for any app available in the Microsoft Store. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.